All right, so look at this. Oh yeah, got a little too close to another vehicle that was on fire, and front end's now gone. Yeah, we'll do a walk around in a bit, but yeah, she's pretty. Nice thing is the Escalade's leaving. We got the engine out of that, so we got a 6.2. What else we got going on here? You know what? That's pretty much it. We'll show you a little walk around on the car. Otherwise, she's in pretty good condition, other than, you know, the front superficially burning. Got the saws all out. You know, good things happen when we break the saws all out.
Like someone had a horizontal barbecue and they just rolled it up, tipped it 90 degrees.
It did. The vertical barbecue.
Vertical barbecue.
But either way, didn't even melt anything on the inside. So yeah, let us know what you think we should do with this driveline. We either leave it in here and go do dumb shit, maybe drift it around with a welded diff, or take this out. We've been trying to figure out what to put in a 91 tracker. I got one. It'd be really cool to convert it to rear wheel drive and have close to 300 horse. That'd be kind of fun. So we got this dirt cheap, and she even still has the cats. So right there, she's already worth it. Yeah. All right, back to work. Cameraman Mac taking this.
Trying to take stuff apart.
Yeah.
Barbecue, anyone?
Oh man, we're lucky. It was actually just close to a fire, so just it's superficial. Like the tires didn't even melt, but yeah. Otherwise, she's all in good shape. All the good stuff. Even got these funky tail lights. Let us know what you think we should do with this. We picked it up as a V8 rear-wheel drive driveline, but now we're thinking maybe this would be a really good budget drift car. We'll just weld up the diff and go do dumb stuff. Let us know what you think. Put it in the comments. Alright, we don't have the GoPro today, so I'm just going to pressure wash off the front of the car, see if we can get all that loose paint off and bring it back to life a little bit. Well, she's cleaner than she was. So most of the stuff flaked off. Really didn't get much warpage, so we'll just hit it with a wire wheel and it should all clean up. Otherwise, yeah, the rest of it cleaned up quite nicely. Just some flecks of stuff that flew around, but otherwise just rust free. Yeah, at least we'll have a lot of parts if we don't want to keep her or just want to take the engine. So yeah, I'll just wrap this up. So our friend Danny just pulled up. We were washing the Lexus with his brand new C8. Just picked it up, brought it here to get paint protection. Doesn't even have 100 kilometers on it yet. In my favorite color, silver.